Good morning,
Good
students.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
beta.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Shobit, what kind of lazy good morning is this? Lazy good morning. Okay, children, what was the last thing that we did? We are supposed to complete this chapter today, right? Types of maps. Have we done all the question answers or we are supposed to do them?
Yes, ma'am.
We have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshata, beta, tell me what was the last thing that we did?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done answer this question in detail one till question
Yes,
number
ma'am.
4 answer.
Till
Good
question
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today, see, in other class also, I gave a worksheet to do. There was a worksheet of this chapter, so you all will also be doing the same worksheet in your fair copies.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, beta.
What
Good
we will
morning.
do today?
We will do a worksheet of the chapter number 8, types of maps. We have to do worksheet in our fair copies. You have,
Notebook.
yes?
Okay, ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
have,
we have to. Ma'am, that you.
okay, wait. How it goes best,
Excuse me,
let's
ma'am.
both see. It goes best like this. When I mute you all. Fine? Good morning to everyone. Those who have joined right now. Good morning to all of you. What we will do today, we are going to do a worksheet. If your queries are solved with what I say, put your hands down. Okay? Don't keep your hand raised then. You have to do this worksheet in your fair copy. Secondly, you have to do this worksheet along with questions. Don't ask me. I'm not going to answer your question. Even in the chat box, if you write, ma'am, can we write only answers? No, I will not give any answer to these kind of questions. You have to write questions and answers both in your fair copy. Now, Pranav, you have some other kind of question apart from these questions? Somebody is asking me in the chat box, ma'am, can I do in the rough copy? Can we do this worksheet in my rough copy? Is there any specific reason of doing it in your rough copy? Your social studies copy is over.
Excuse me.
Why do you want to do it in your rough copy? Tell me. You can unmute yourself, Pranav. Why do you want to do it in your rough copy, beta? Tell Pranav, you can unmute yourself.
अपने नोटबुक में की है.
Huh? What? Just to disturb the teacher. Can anybody understand what he's saying?
मैम मैंने आपकी सारी वर्कशीट अपनी रफ नोटबुक में की है.
आपने किससे पूछ के रफ में किए हैं? Who told you to do them in your rough copy? Did I ever say to do these worksheets in your rough copy? I always say you to do it in the fair copy. Now what you have done in the past cannot be changed. Now do it in your fair copy. Yes, Panchal, say.
After this worksheet, the chapter will be ended.
We have already ended the chapter, beta. We have done all the question answers, exercises, key points, everything. We have completed the chapter. Just check in your copy.
I want to start a new chapter in the new copy. My copy is about to end.
So you will do this worksheet in the end of your old copy. Okay? Do it in the old copy only. Yashmit, what is your question?
Ma'am, my question is that, ma'am, I am not able to see everyone's video, so I'm joining from another device. So please let me.
Okay, done. Raina, what is your question? Raina, yes.
Ma'am, I want to say that if you share the screen, please send that book in WhatsApp because I can't see the screen in my laptop. So, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. Now just wait for a minute. I'll send it on the class group also and here also. All of you go and get your colors because to do this worksheet, you might need a few colors as well. Okay, here it is. Akshada, what is your question now?
Ma'am, I don't have a question. Ma'am, I'm actually out of station. So I don't have colors here.
Okay, no problem, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
You will zoom it according to your own comfort. I'm not zooming this picture. I'm sending this picture on the class group as well.
Ma'am,
Yes, Palvini, say. Palvini, beta, say what you have to say.
ma'am, I will draw four. Ma'am, I will draw all.
Yes, you have to draw all these symbols and just draw them very small. Yes, children, you have to draw these symbols of food court, airport, church, and telephone. See it from the book how it is drawn. All the symbols are drawn there and then draw it. Children, now you all can unmute yourself. I can see so many hands raised. Ask your problem.
Ma'am, please check the chat box.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have not done detailed question answer because I'm
Ma'am,
remembering I have
to do in question
how many
2.
pages. See from the D group and just count yourself how many pages are supposed to be left.
Ma'am, what we have to do in question 2?
Question 2 is draw a compass showing all directions. Now what you tell me what you have to do.
We have to draw
Ma'am,
the
can
compass
we draw Ma'am, can we draw a compass on
On a what?
blank page.
Pranav, you can draw anywhere, beta. What kind of questions are these? I don't understand these questions.
Ma'am, I want to ask that
Next, yes.
when we draw the compass, so ma'am, we have to show the north,
Yes, you
south.
will show north side in a particular color because the compass always shows its direction of the north side. It always faces the north direction. And then all 3 needles by some other color.
And ma'am, do we have to show northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast?
Side to the all direction.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Any other question anyone wants to ask?
Ma'am, I want to ask that do we have to show that also northwest, northeast, north, south.
I can't understand what you are saying. Please speak loudly.
Ma'am, I am saying that do we have to write these also southwest, northwest?
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am, can we make a symbol of church like a cross?
Yes, it is a C, beta, see from the book, it is given there. A small hut and a cross is drawn over there. Don't draw symbols according to your own this thing. Just see how they are actually drawn.
Ma'am, please see my camera setting. Can you see my notebook?
What?
Ma'am, please see my camera setting. Arhan, can you see my notebook?
Beta, what is there in this notebook? I can't understand. What do you
I am asking, can you see my notebook?
Yes, I can see your notebook. Now tell me, what do you want to show me in your notebook? Why are you showing me your notebook?
Ma'am, I have kept it so you can say, I am doing work.
Oh, Arhan.
Ma'am, we have to write questions.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pulvini.
ma'am, I will draw a blank page, ma'am, या lines page.
Blank page.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions.
Sorry, I can't answer this question. No answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying that food court is like a restaurant only.
What is like a restaurant? Food court.
Yes.
Jaskaran, where is your SST book? Where is your SST book? Tell me. You are sitting without the book and you are trying to do a worksheet. Why do you always want to be spoon-fed? Everything should come to you on your plate, should be served on your plate. But it is not like that. You also have to do a little effort. Just find it in the book and see how it is made.
What you have written in third point?
What is a physical map?
No, ma'am. After airport.
Church.
But ma'am, church is not there in the book.
Church is not there. But in my book it is there. Maybe there's a difference.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, I will send the picture beta of these symbols. You can see from here and then.
Ma'am, please see, I have drawn some symbols.
Children, see, I have sent these symbols in the class group. If you don't
Ma'am, please
have
see
them,
my symbols.
very nice, Shore, very beautiful. Beta, why have you drawn a hut outside food court? It's given like this in your book. Tell me.
No, ma'am.
No, beta, Shore, listen. These symbols are what are on maps. So you can't change them according to your choice, beta. You have to draw them. You have to learn them, how they are actually drawn, how they are actually seen across the country or anywhere in the world when you go. This is how these symbols are seen. You can't change them according to your choice. Just erase them and correct them.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is book that you have sent.
This is the old book. You are saying
Okay,
that church symbol is not there in your book. That is why I have sent. See and draw from here.
And we have to make it small.
You have to make what?
Nothing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
May I go to washroom?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I go to washroom?
Go beta. Yes.
Ma'am, in our book, we only have 14 symbols. But in the text, in the picture you have sent, there are more than 21 symbols.
Okay, beta. Now maybe the new book has been changed. In the old book, these many symbols were given. That is why I have shared the picture with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done my whole work. Only the drawing is left.
Very good, beta. Very nice. But children, apart from these 8 questions, there are true and there are a few fill in the blanks also. I have not shared that screen with you. After writing these questions, I will share the other screen as well. Okay, children, till which chapter you had your UT1? In UT1, how many chapters were there?
Ma'am, I don't remember.
It was defining history, and then
Ma'am,
later it was timelines.
I'm 3.
3 chapters. And responsibilities.
There were 3 chapters. And there were 3 chapters, but you didn't give any question from 3rd chapter.
Now, from what is the 4th chapter of this book? Is it motions of the earth?
Motions of the earth. Motions of the earth.
Okay, now tomorrow be prepared for a test of motions of the earth. I'll be taking a test.
May I go to
tomorrow.
washroom?
Go, beta. I'll be taking a test tomorrow of motions of the earth, and your cameras will be set like how Arhan has set his camera today. All your cameras will be on your copies.
Okay, ma'am, I am from laptop, so I can do like this.
Yes, you will do like this. And those who will not show me their cameras or their faces will not be allowed to sit in the class. I will remove them right away.
Ma'am, meeting is lag.
What, beta? What are you saying?
Ma'am, have you shared the fill in the blanks in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, beta, I have shared them there. You want me to share the screen here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll change the screen, children.
Ma'am, but I am on question 2 now. Ma'am, can I show my drawing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I don't know the fifth one.
Dash color is used to show the highest mountains. Purple color.
Ma'am, in question answers.
In question answers, the fifth one was...
Ma'am, it is what are thematic maps?
Give examples. Beta, thematic maps are special purpose maps. Now examples are, these maps show rainfall, vegetation, population, etc. They can also be route maps of zoo, amusement parks, malls.
Ma'am, please see my diagrams of symbols.
What? Very nice. Yashmit, very good.
Ma'am, can I show my
Ma'am,
drawing? Ma'am, can you see my compass?
Very nice. Very good.
And see, I have drawn the symbol.
Very beautiful. Very nice, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I'm saying that what we can write the examples of thematic map.
What we will write? What is your question?
Ma'am, which examples we can write for thematic maps?
Beta, the maps that show us rainfall, population, vegetation, literacy rate, anything. These are the examples of. These are the examples of thematic maps.
Ma'am, I don't know what is the symbol of church.
Beta, see, I have shared on the class group. I have shared a picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Have you sent the picture from the book? In the
Beta,
WhatsApp?
I have sent the picture from the old book.
Ma'am, in the new book there is no church is drawn.
Beta, that is why I have shared the picture now.
Yes, ma'am. Because in the new one, ma'am, it's only a few are drawn.
Okay.